it is add-on is telling, and due to add-on, what should happen? This is V naught, so this is a ball Y. I'll write X that one. So this was having velocity V naught. This was having velocity V naught, and impulse JY will act like this, and impulse Jx will act in this direction. After collision, what will happen to this? Two identical balls is telling, so masses are same. So after collision, let's check it here. No? How X will move, how Y will move. It will rebound. This will be, okay, Vx, no? I'll directly write it, E equal to EVx. Then it will acquire a velocity. Let me give 192 number also. It'll be easy for me. 192 I'll give number. V1y, V1x. What will be the velocity of this? This will have V2x. So let's calculate what is V1y. V1y should be EV0. The E equal to 0 between ball x signed y, but E equal to 0.5 between ground and the ball. So, and E equal to 0.5 V0 or V0 by 2. This is V1. What about V1x? I should apply, they'll get stuck. So along y x-axis, the conservation of momentum will be mv0 should be equal to m v2x plus mv1x. Since E equal to 0 along x-axis, so therefore, what do we expect? V2 and V1x must be equal. So there's finally how much will be? V1x equal to V2x equal to V0 by 2. Or I'll write one more step. Since V2x equal to V1x, so therefore, will they stuck? Because for the ball x, there's also y component of velocity, no? So what will happen to it? It will move in a parabolic path. This will be the path of the ball x. Then what about ball y? Ball y will be moving here. With what velocity? With v2x. Will they have same displacement? Yes, horizontal displacement must be same. No? And finally, what will happen? The time interval between first and second collision. This is what the first collision. No? Where the second collision again will occur at the range. So here the ball will land like this and the collision will occur. We don't know how that will come and collide, just a rough diagram I'm putting here. This is the second collision. Is that okay? This one. So again, once again here, y and x they collide, sir. They should get stuck because of v1y. The x will lose contact from the y, and we'll discuss parabolic path. Is asking now the time interval between first and second collision between x and y. I think it's quite very simple. No? This is, I'll define t equals 0. What is the time of flight? 2 v1y by t. What is v1y? v0 by 2. This will be the time. I'm telling this one very random way. Don't stick on to add-on or this one. Here we have both. Though it's an add-on, they don't get stuck to each other x and y because of v1y component.